Hey guys, this is Neeraj. Welcome to my channel. Today I've come up with this video to give a few advices to traders who are struggling with their trading plan, or traders who are not able to achieve results as they expect. This video might give you some inputs which might be helpful for you. Obviously, you have to pick up things which you think might work for you. I will give my thought process, my opinion. You may or may not agree to it. So let's get started. Before that, a brief overview of the company. So my company, we deal into research services and we deal into educative services, wherein we provide a lot of learning through webinars, workshops, live projects, and certifications. Everything is practical oriented, so we don't believe in imparting theoretical knowledge. I mean, just the theoretical knowledge. Everything has to be linked with the practical world. Okay, so first I have come up with a list of don'ts. This video will be a short one, it won't be a long one. I won't eat up too much of your time. So the don'ts, I would say one very common thing that I see across new traders are news-based trading. They will hear something and on the basis of that they will have preconceived notions about the company and then they will try to trade. For example, right now with Jio Facebook deal happening, everyone is eyeing Reliance Industries for buying it, right? It doesn't work out that way. I don't say, I'm not saying that Reliance will not go up. It may or may go up. That's a different story. But this thought process itself is wrong. If something good has come up in the news, or a good event has turned up for the company, the share prices will immediately go up. It doesn't work out that way. I will tell you why. So let's say there's this stock which is moving like this. Okay, it was moving like this, something like this. Now, okay, I will need more space, so I will take like this. Okay, so now what has happened is, this is what the company share has been moving like, and then there are some chances of some event happening. Let's say the company results are coming and people have already started analyzing. Big companies, big institutions, big analysts have already started analyzing upon it as to what can happen in the results of the company, what can come through, or if there's any rumor about, or if any, is there any hint that let's say a company is looking for some strategic tie-up or something. People are already researching about it, right? Now what will happen is, they have already researched, they already have some news, some like some hints over what can happen. So what will happen is, they will eventually start accumulating the stock if something positive is coming. So this would be the period when they will accumulate the stock. Now what will happen is, it will start, suppose that event comes through and it shoots up. Here is when you get to know that positive event has happened, and you jump into buying into the stock. Now what will happen from here? Prices starts to go up, right? Or it might go down, whatever happens. After that, you think, wow, whatever I thought is working out perfectly fine. Here, if it doesn't go up, you think, oh, maybe there's some slight correction and it might go up further. And then this part might come down and this might go into a sideways fashion, or may even go down. Why this happened, right? You might have faced this situation. If you have been trading basis of news, you would have faced this kind of situation wherein something positive has come up while still the share prices are not going up. I'm talking about the short term, intraday or 1 or 2 days time frame from when the event comes. Now, other way around, if something negative has come on, it would be something like this. Now what happens is, see, big people who have accumulated here would be looking to book profits when the share prices have moved up. And obviously these guys have high volumes, high number of shares that they trade. So what will happen is, prices will go up further. They decide that some profit booking can be done. They will do profit booking, right? And the prices might come down like this. You will be in a shock as to what happens. Everything has come positive in the news, everything is going fine, but still the prices are going down. and you will panic sell here, and then maybe from here again the prices go up. So I'm not saying this would be the exact way it happens, but then this is one of the way it can happen. So therefore it might have happened you bought here and it shot up from here, so that's also a possibility, I'm not saying. But then generally if you trade basis of news, just news, I am very sure that in the long run you will not be profitable, right? So you have to skip, you have to stop trading basis of news is my advice number one. Second advice is you have to do trading with some research. So trading without research is very dangerous. One thing I already explained, which is what? News based trading. You should not do news based trading. What you should do the trading on is on research, right? Now how you can do research, I have been telling, and I have a free webinar video also. You could do fundamental analysis, you can do technical analysis, right? Now both fundamental and technical analysis, fundamental analysis will work for long term, so it might not be very helpful for short term. Again, this news comes into fundamental analysis, so this will play out in the long term picture definitely, but not in the short term picture. So if you are looking for 1 week, 2 week of time frame, it might not work out. Trading works on both short time frame and long time frame. So if you are a trader or if you are an investor, technical analysis will work for both the instances, right? So learn research, learn how to take up things, make a trading system, make some rules. Basis of that you can do it. I'll come up with more videos. I have webinars on it, but then I'll come up with some videos for you guys to learn further into the research part as to how you do research. I have already posted a webinar recording, so you can go through it. It's under the playlist in my channel, learnings playlist, learning with Panomac. So you can go in that playlist and watch those. Third is, suppose I do research, right, and I have analyzed everything, still things are not working out in the trade for me. What happens is, suppose this is how the prices were moving, I analyzed it will go down, but it started going up, right? Now I shorted, I was in a short trade that markets will go down, but it started going up. And that's completely fine. If you have researched that it will go down, there's always a possibility that you can go wrong. So you have to take your stop loss into account and exits at some point or the other. What happens otherwise is you become hopeful, right? So if you have bought a share, for example, and you thought you were buying it for an intraday, let's say it was moving like this, and you bought here thinking that it's for an intraday and it will move like this and you will hold it. So this was your profit, let's say X amount. Okay. Now what will happen is it starts going down from here as soon as you buy. Suppose this was your stop loss level, you still do not, you think it will go up, it tries to go up, again goes down, right? And at this point of one is you should have exited here itself or here, whatever is your strategy, a stop loss strategy. But then what happens is you ignore your stop loss and the prices goes further down. Now you become hopeful that it will some or the other day come up, let me keep it, let me put in more money, it's a leveraged position, let me put in more money and keep the stock and whatnot, right? What happens is you then becomes hopeful on the stock. You started with an intraday trading on that stock, but you become a positional trader, right? What I mean by positional trader is now you will keep it for a few days or a few weeks till it comes above your price. You are being hopeful that the prices will come here. I'm not saying it won't come. It may or may not come, but it's not the right strategy. If you have started as an intraday trader, remain with intraday trading, right? Do not convert that position. If you have to take positional trading, analyze for a positional trade and take positional trading. Do not switch between these roles. I have talked about these roles as well in the webinar. You can go through it. Don't switch between these roles. what will happen is, even after a few days in your positional trade, the stock doesn't go up, it goes further down. What will happen is, you will say, now I am an investor, I will keep it for years until it goes up, right? So don't be hopeful and don't think that things will work out some or the other time in the future. You should act upon your trades and take accept the fact that you can go wrong, and you have to book losses at some point of time. Losses are a part and parcel of your trading. Okay, other one nuance is, we run after quick profits. I see a lot of traders thinking that they'll be able to do 2x, 3x, 4x. I mean, these many times of their capital in 1 month, 2 month, and stuff. Guys, there's no holy grail, there's no quick profits in the market. Whatever I have traders I have come across who are mature traders, who are professional traders, they also earn to the tune of 2 to 5% per month on their total capital, right? People who claim that you can earn 100%, let's say you are investing 50,000 and you can earn 50,000 in a month, are fooling you. So just be careful on that. It cannot be that high return. So don't run after quick profits. Have a trading system in mind, have a stop loss in mind, have a target in mind, have a strategy in mind, have a research in mind. Have all these things and then aim for smaller profits. And then you fine tune your strategy, right? I'm not saying you can't earn 100% return in a month. Maybe you can, you are exceptional. Maybe someone else is achieving it. I have not met them, but maybe somebody is achieving. I'm not claiming, though I don't believe in it, but then maybe I'm open to the open to accepting it. But then for you, if it's not working out till now, don't run after someone. If somebody is just claiming that they are able to earn that kind of profits, maybe you check with them, check their, ask them to show you your entire 1 year report, right? Ask them to show the income tax filing that they have put, right? So don't get trapped running after very quick profits and very high profits. Okay, trading is already 2 to 5% already is a very high profit. I'm telling you. Okay, so now some of the do's that you should do, I would say, one is proper research. At least you should do some research. Basic research you can do. You can watch my videos, learn a little bit about technical analysis and do that. It will be very, very helpful. Even if you apply certain rules. One rule that I'm giving you right now is, if prices are above, let's say 10 EMA, 10 period EMA, take only long trade. If it's below 10 period EMA, take only short trades. I mean, this will change your way of trading, right? You will not enter into being hopeful. You will not run after quick profits, that it will turn from here and give me exceptional returns. Some of the problems will get solved in that, right? So follow that maybe. Then you should have a trading system. One is, what is a trading system? Trading system is basically, you have certain rules basis of which you will take entry, right? So let's say you have that whenever the prices will go above 10 EMA, I will buy. Whenever it goes below 10 EMA, I will sell. That's a trading strategy that you have, right? So you will have a strategy and then you have to maintain discipline around that. So trading system is not only about having a strategy in place, you have to follow it. If you are not following it, it's of no use, right? Then there are various other things, psychology that comes into picture, all those things. These all things are a part of psychology also. But then I would say that continue to work on these things. Take a screenshot of this and put it in your, take a printout and put it somewhere. Read it every day. Right, I would say you will have good results, good things that you will see. If you're still facing issues, just write to me. You can put it in the comments box. I will try to give the best advice I can. Obviously, these advices are my personal opinion. It may or may not work for you. Okay, guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.